Hello students, today we're here to learn about business. When you join the university, do you study Korean as well as part of the course? Because Joe's not here, it means I can wear his clothes. So I think I'm gonna wear this blue shirt because I really like it. And because Joe's not here, Tom's gonna come and film a video with me today.
Boom! Let's go! You what, mate?
Oh, Tom is too fast!
Oh, no.
Today's video, we're gonna go down to Seoul National University, meet some of the students and try infiltrate the campus. But on the way there, we've come back past the National Assembly Hall, and today we've got the Jesus-loving, gay-hating protesters. So I'm going to show you them because in the previous video you didn't get to see them. And if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. Sophia is doing a good job supporting and promoting equality.
이제 우리는 연합을 하고 함께하는 그런 분위기를 만들어가야 됩니다.
We're going to infiltrate their butthole. I mean protest. Let's go.
우리가 이제 목숨을 걸고 이 동성애법을 막아내야 됩니다. 이 차별금지법을 막아야 됩니다. 이 불의한 법을 막아야 됩니다. 이 어둠의 법을 물리쳐야 됩니다.
안녕하세요.
무너진 세계계를 재건하는 사명이 우리 한국교회가 있는데 그 한국교회가 이런 선교적인 사명을 감당하기 위해서는 먼저 이 나라를 지켜야 됩니다.
Buttholes infiltrated.
대한민국의 나라를 지켜야 됩니다.
They also have a photo of a baby because they're anti-abortion. My opinion is equality for all and let women do what they want with their bodies.
Yeah, because I'm here.
우리는 각자가 다 하나님의 사명이 있습니다.
감사합니다. 그러지 않으면 국회의원들이 아니라 대한민국을 배반한 자들이 됩니다.
Keep seeing them.
And that's that. I just wanted to come here to follow up from yesterday's video, but if you haven't seen it already, go watch it. It's a great video, but now we're going to continue on to Seoul National University. Naver Map says we've arrived, but it doesn't look like the #1 university in Korea. I was expecting a huge sign saying Seoul National University. It looks cool though with the mountains behind it. So we're trying to decide, do we go this way or that way? Which way, Tom?
Let's go that way.
That way? All right, let's go. First thing we have to do is infiltrate those barriers. We're in. We're looking at the map and it's absolutely humongous, this campus. So whilst Tom's trying to figure out where we should go first, can you do me a humongous favor and like the video, because it'll really help my channel grow and push my video into that YouTube algorithm. I say it all the time, but it does really help and I do really appreciate it. So thank you for doing that.
We could drive to the highest point on
Sounds
the
good.
campus
Yep.
and then just drive down.
Let's do that. There we go, easy. I'm good to go. We're at the very top of the campus and this university is huge. It's like a public park. And as always in my videos, we're gonna go to a rooftop of the Institute of Chemical Processes so you can see how big it is. Oh God, we need a key card. Maybe we're not gonna go there. Shibao. We're gonna follow a student in quickly. Tom, follow him. Infiltration, penetration. We're in. Now we've got to find a rooftop so we can get a good view of the university campus. We've come to the 7th floor, but I think we need to go down one to go out there. But I just want to point this out. They've put suicide safety nets here in case anyone comes up here and jumps. It's a long way down that. Unfortunately, this building is blocking the view a little bit, but it goes all the way down here between the mountains and kind of makes a very thin V shape in between the mountains. It's beautiful. You can see the mountain here on the other side as well. It looks really colourful as well. Also in my videos, I like to eat local food, and because we're at the university, we're gonna have some cafeteria food, or at least we're gonna try. Because when we were waiting for the elevator, we saw a cafeteria, so we're going to go and try have some student food, see how good it is. And then after we've had the student food, we're going to try and find the language school so you can see what it's like, because a big majority of you are probably interested in Korean culture and learning the Korean language. So if you do want to come and study here, you can see what that facility is like. Have you found it yet, Tom?
I found the international.
Hey! Did you have a nice trip? What a great university. Right in between the mountains.
We're going to probably going to need a car.
안녕하세요. 천역 먹고 싶어요. 끝났어요? Okay. 감사합니다. They finished the lunch service, but just outside of the cafeteria, there's a vending machine selling some sandwiches. Oh, it's a Paris baguette vending machine. That's way too pricey for me. If you had to buy a sandwich from Paris baguette like that big, it's like $6. I'd rather starve to death. When we were driving to the top, we came up past this huge structure and it looks beautiful. It looks like it could be the opera house of a city, like the Norwegian Opera House or the Sydney Opera House. This is the Seoul National University Opera House. Whoa, mysterious girl, move your body close to mine, the one that I love.
You feeling okay, Dan?
What?
You good? Go ahead.
Yeah, really good.
You guys study here?
Yes, I'm studying.
Are the courses good here?
Yeah, yes, it's good, very good. The lecturers was good. The cultural
Culture
experience.
exposure.
Cultural, like doing cooking the
That's
Korean
nice.
food.
Do
Oh, really?
Do they let you wear hanbok? Stuff like that?
Yes.
Yeah,
We also,
Wow,
That's cool.
that's really good.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Are the classes like in person right now, or are they online?
For us, it's
some of the classes
offline, sometimes online.
Some of the
Some of the classes.
Are you here like for a year, or you're here for like a semester? What's your course?
Actually, our is a public officers fellowship program. So you can see the banner there.
The white
So
Oh, the white across.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
across,
okay.
That hanging there.
Yep.
Yeah, I see.
And then only for 3 months.
How much does it cost to do 3 months?
Oh, I think it's
We are
sponsored
sponsored.
by government of Korea.
Oh,
so
nice.
we can, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's sweet.
Could you
3
get a
months in
sponsorship?
Korea. I hope so. I don't know. Don't know. Because right now we live in Hongdae, and we just thought, oh, maybe we want to study here. So we thought we'd come.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia?
From Malaysia.
That's cool.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Have a very good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm interested to go in and find out how much it costs to do a 3-month course if you don't get a sponsorship. Beautiful little tree in the centre here.
Costs about.
I just want to know how much it costs for 3 months study.
For morning class, it's 1.73.
1.73 million?
Yeah. And afternoon class is 1.58. But
And how
you
often is it? Every day?
4 hours, so 4 hours a day, 5 times a week.
Okay, 4 hours a day, 5 times a week. Seoul National University, or SNU for short, is considered the most prestigious university in Korea and ranked in the top 50 best universities in the world. There's about 28,000 students enrolled and 200 international exchange students. The tuition fees are in the thousands of dollars, and the housing costs are, well, a bit preposterous. And now I can understand why students live in tiny Gosuwon rooms, because they only cost around $300 to $400 a month. And that's more than half the cost of the university dorms. And if you want to see what a Gosuwon room looks like, watch this video here. And the last thing I want to mention is about the university's location. It's kind of far away from all the fun areas, but I guess if you want to concentrate on studying, that's a good thing. Now, let's infiltrate the language school and see what their facilities are like. Let's penetrate this school. Let's just have a look around. It does seem expensive, but after speaking to the Malaysian people outside, it seems really good value for money if you get to do all these cultural things. 교실에서 보고 싶어요. 안 열어요.
잠겨 있어요. 그럼 1층에 아저씨, 키코 아저씨.
Okay.
나가면
Okay, 감사합니다. We need to go find the caretaker.
어디 있지?
여기 2층에서 한국 교실 안에 보고 싶어요.
아무나 못 들어가요. 장가 있을 때는.
We had no luck with the ajoshi, so we're back upstairs with determination. because determination will prevail. Oh, it's prevailed. Room's pretty big. You get a lot of students in here. Tom, pretend you're teaching the class. I'll sit here as a student. Teach me something, you bastard.
다니시 학교 뭐요?
몰라요.
다니시 University.
Classroom.
오, 다니시 똑똑해. 똑똑해요.
Mission accomplished. Language school infiltrated. Right, let's get out of here. We're now going to infiltrate the Graduate School of Business and have a wander around. I wonder if this is a lecture hall in here. Looks like a conference room. Hello students, today we're here to learn about business. And the business I'm going to teach you is the steel business. All you have to do is start a business and steal other people's business. That is business 101. Who would like to invest? Any investors over here?
질문했어요. 저는 어떻게 벌어요?
몰라요. Oh. This is a very, very high-class university. Look at the chairs the students get to sit on, how comfortable this is. Wow, that's really comfortable, that. We're going to continue exploring. Let's go. Infiltration.
Walking like you know.
We just walked in on the advanced banking program. Oops. The sports facilities of this university are world class. That football pitch looks like it was laid yesterday. It even has a running track going around the edge. Got some spotlights with some mountains in the background. You couldn't ask for a more perfect place to do some sports. I can see why this is the #1 university in Korea. Everything in this university is top class. We've infiltrated and penetrated a lot of the university, so now we're going to find a student and ask them to recommend somewhere close by to eat because we're both starving. We're going to go to the international student accommodation and ask there. What's your name, sorry?
Sebastian.
Sebastian,
Yes.
where are you from?
The Netherlands.
Netherlands? Hoe gaat het?
Goed.
Goed. Good, good.
Fine.
And your name?
Jort.
Yots, where are you from?
Also from Netherlands.
Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you.
Do you enjoy studying here?
Yes, I would say.
And what do you study?
I study business, but I'm here as an exchange student. So for me it's not really about the studying itself, I would say.
We just went to the business school and invaded a class and they all looked around really shocked at us. So, because we were trying to like explore the campus a little bit. What do you study?
So I also study business, but here I'm officially in the Department of Economics, but I'm just basically taking a bunch of different courses, like I have Korean history, for example.
When you join the university, do you study Korean as well as part of the course?
No.
No, you don't have to?
No.
Have you tried to learn any Korean whilst you've been here?
Not in a formal way. More,
Just drinking soju. Hey, 안녕하세요.
Exactly.
Do you know of anywhere good around here to eat?
Well, we usually go to the cafeteria because it's cheap and it's close by.
We tried to go there as well, but they were closed. They said "Gunasoyo," so.
At 1:30 they close usually.
Oh, okay.
I think there's a pretty nice place right around the corner, but you disagree.
Yeah.
It's simple, but it's okay.
I
would
think
argue.
at Naksongdae station.
Oh, near the station?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of good places.
There's a lot of good places over there. Yeah.
Oh, we'll head to the station, yeah?
There's this one street between Naksongdae and SNU station, which is filled with all food places.
Okay,
So
we'll go
if you
there.
want to go somewhere nice, you generally leave campus.
Yeah.
Also, very simple question. Do you guys like have to walk everywhere on this massive campus?
There's a few buses
Oh, so
actually.
you basically take the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have a student card to get on the bus?
No, it's paid.
Oh, it's paid.
Your team money card.
Oh, it's team money card. Ah, okay.
But there are also the shuttle buses.
And that's free?
That's completely free.
Okay.
Those rarely go though.
Yeah. Because this is huge, this campus. We've been driving around on this motorbike for the past like 2 hours, getting completely lost. All right, good. We're gonna go eat. Thank you very much, guys, for your time.
No problem.
Study hard. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers, lads. See you later. Right, let's go to that street they said and get some food, baby. Sebastian said the street between Naksongdae Station and Seoul University Station is a good place with lots of restaurants, so you can just go along the back streets and find some mat jip, some delicious houses. But we're gonna have a student meal. I'm gonna show you what that is. It's something from the Pyeongjam, the 7-Eleven. I don't normally eat this, but I can imagine a student would eat this because it's quick and simple. It's just a ready-made meal that you can pop in the microwave. In this meal, we've got some purple black rice, which is really healthy. I think this is lotus root. This is spicy fish cake. Don't have any idea what this is. This is lotus root again, which is deep fried. Some kimchi with a little bit of meat, a mini burger, and then some tofu. And this was 4,300 won. I heated it up in the microwave and it only took 1 minute, 30 seconds. So perfect for a student. And to be fair, even though it's a microwave meal, it is really delicious. Full of flavor. Of course, it's not better than eating in a restaurant, but for a microwave meal in a corner store, it is really good. Let's find out what this is. It's a mushroom. A delicious mushroom. Tom, did you enjoy penetrating Seoul National University?
그 탑색하는 거 좋아해요.
나도.
If you're looking to study in Korea and what you want to study, the subject is highly ranked there, which it probably will be, then sure, go there. But if you prioritize the location a bit more, I'd rather pick something like Yonsei,
Just really far away.
Or Ihwa Yeoja대학교, or Sogang or something like that. It is really far away, so you are sacrificing your location a lot.
Seoul National University to Hongdae is about 45 minutes, to Gangnam's about 25 minutes, and then to Itaewon would probably be about half an hour. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about going to university, here's my advice. Don't go because it's what you're supposed to do what you want to do in life. Tom, what makes you happy? That piece of chicken? If you want to see more videos of exploring Seoul suburbs, you can see them in the playlist on my channel. If you've enjoyed this, click the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Yosh.